Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Snapchat notifications sound. The first thing you will need to do is go into Snapchat. From here, you are going to tap on your Bitmoji in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on the settings cog in the top right hand corner. Next, you are going to tap on notifications. Then you are going to scroll down until you see sound, as you can see it right here, and you're going to tap on that. And you can also disable ring, and that's it. So now whenever you receive a notification, your device will only vibrate. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.